Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of robotic cleanliness. Yes, we're talking about the top 5 robot vacuums of 2023 that are making a big splash in the market. These automated helpers are here to make your life easier, and we've got the best picks right here. I've also included the links to the products in the description box below. Do check it out. So let's get started. First up, we have the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus. This vacuum is a beast when it comes to thick carpets. With 40 times the suction of 600 series Roomba S, it digs deep into your carpets, ensuring a thorough clean. It's smart too, learning your home's layout and offering customized cleaning plans through the app. It also has a flat edge that allows it to clean corners and edges effectively. If you have a fully carpeted home or pets that shed, the Roomba S9 Plus is your go-to. It's the robot vacuum to trust on fully or almost fully carpeted floors, especially those that one or more pets shed all over. Its powerful suction and dual roller brushes dig deeper into fluffy carpet fibers where many other robot vacuums can only provide a surface-level clean. Next, we have the Roborock S7 Plus. This vacuum is a triple threat under $1,000. It's perfect for homes with both carpet and hard floors, thanks to its strong suction, lidar, and mopping that doesn't soak carpets. It's also equipped with a self-empty dock, making it a wise choice for homes with shedding pets. The S7 Plus can be trusted to find your selected zones, decipher between 4 types, and get back to its dock. Its 3-hour battery life should rarely die on you. We recommend the Roborock S7 for people who prefer the water stains and footprints on their tile to be treated to a deeper clean than just the light wiping of a cloth. The third on our list is the iRobot Roomba G7 Plus. This vacuum is the least likely to get your plush carpet wet. It uses a new precision vision navigation camera that helps it avoid small obstacles like cords and pet waste. It's not the vacuum for high-pile carpets, but its performance on low-pile and hard floors is reliable. It also has dirt detection that triggers multiple passes across serious messes. Long hair doesn't tangle as easily in its long rubber brush rolls. It empties into a more compact auto-empty dock without sacrificing the 60-day capacity. The Roomba Combo G7 Plus is the splurge for folks who don't mind paying a little extra for a robot vacuum that doesn't require babysitting. Coming in fourth is the Shark Eye Ultra 2-in-1. This vacuum is an affordable large-capacity self-emptier. It's got a new matrix clean system that prompts the vacuum to make several passes to ensure no spots are missed. It delivers 30% better carpet cleaning by digging deeper into carpet and cleaning in a crosshatch pattern to loosen and grab debris from multiple angles. It also has a mopping feature that vibrates 100 times per minute to scrub stains. If you typically take the and one for good measure approach when it comes to cleaning, you'll appreciate the extra effort the newest Shark vacuum puts in on dirty spots, even if it has already gone over them once. Last but not least, we have the YetiVac Station. This budget model offers room mapping, mopping, and automatic emptying for as low as $300 on sale. It's a stellar find for folks who want to cover the triple threat of robotic cleaning features without breaking the bank. It claims 3,000 pascals of suction, a bold claim that rivaled the most powerful Roomba, but this Yeti really does put in more work than you'd expect at this price point. Its performance on flat to medium tiles is satisfactory, including with long hairs. We just wouldn't trust it to make it over a fluffy rug alive. With patience for the shaky navigation and the acceptance of clearing obstacles off the floor before starting a cleaning, the YetiVac Station could be a game changer. So there you have it, the top 5 robot vacuums of 2023. They're smart, efficient, and ready to make your life easier. Remember, a clean home is a happy home, and these robot vacuums are here to help you achieve just that. Stay tuned for more tech updates, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.